Hey guys, Richard here from eBike Reviews and Adventures. Well, I got a couple trikes back here behind me because I want to talk about trikes for a moment. I think, my prediction here, I think 2024 is going to be the year of the trike. And here's why. Since eTrike over here came out with their the XP trike late or early last year, around January, February timeframe, it has just gone off the charts with sales. And what we've seen throughout the year is a few other companies come on board and start introducing trikes, such as the Mooncool right over here. Now, I happen to know that there are a couple of other big name brands that are going to be introducing trikes, and I think it's going to be interesting. I think it's going to be the year of the trike because trikes have really have increased in sales. They've increased in popularity, not just for seniors. Anyone can ride them. And I tell you what, this is going to be the year where you're going to have a lot of options for trikes. I got some exciting news. And I'm going to introduce you, in this video, I'm going to go ahead and introduce you to another company you probably haven't heard of, but they've got some amazing trikes that they just announced, they just put out on their website that will be available soon. And that is 630. Yeah, a company you probably haven't heard much about, but I tell you what, they've got some very interesting looking trikes, to include a couple of reverse trikes. Yeah, reverse trikes meaning there's two wheels on the front and only one in the back, which should increase stability significantly. So that is just one brand, and you know what? They're a smaller brand, but they've got what looks like some amazing trikes coming out. And I think we're gonna see that a lot coming out this year. I think we're gonna see some newer companies coming out with trikes. And like I said, we're gonna see some companies that's been around for a few years come out with trikes. And then we're going to have companies like AddMotor. You know, AddMotor already has several trikes, but I suspect that they're going to be coming out with some brand new trikes as well. So I think this year is going to be an amazing year when it comes to e-trikes. If you're shopping for an e-trike, go and check out some of my e-trike videos. In fact, I have a playlist just for trikes. So if you go over there to the tab, click on playlist, go down, you'll search, or you'll find the category for trikes, and you'll see all my trike videos, and you'll see all the future trike videos that's going to be coming out here real soon, because yes, we have more trikes inbound. So, you know, this isn't a channel about e-trikes only, but it's going to look like that way here in 2024, because I think we're going to see a lot of them. Hey, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, but not only that, make sure you go down there to the notification little icon, click on it and select all notifications so you get notified of my new videos. Because hey guys, guess what? After you watch this video, even if you subscribe, if you go out there and say maybe you watch a cat video on YouTube, guess what? Your video feed is going to be filled up with cat videos and things that are similar. And even if I go out and put out a new video, you might not see it in your feed. So the only way to be guaranteed that you're going to see my next video is if you go down there to notifications and select all notifications. That's how that works. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Drop any comments down below. I hope to see you again soon.